Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In this video I'm going to show you how to pour paint neatly from a 10 litre tub. Just before we get into this video, if you're planning on doing any decorating projects and you need to purchase some tools, please check out my tool store. The links are in the description below. With that said, let's do this. The key to pouring your paint nice and neatly is having your brush ready. So get your 10 litre tub, pour it in nice and controlled until you've got the amount you want in the roller bucket, and then wipe the lip with your brush. And that, guys, is how to pour paint neatly from a 10 litre tub without making a mess. If you've got anything from this video, please like, share, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any future videos, and please feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you very much for watching.